you going. Love it.
Come on. Son.
Come on, guys. You want to come out?
Hey!
How are you, man?
What's up, man?
Yeah.
Everything good?
Yeah, good. Everything.
Ladies, we're gonna take all your gear off so that they don't touch you with the metal detectors. Oh, my baby.
Thank you.
Lay center. Down. Huh? I'm gonna go first, and then when you clear me, he'll come. Sit.
You're good. You're good.
Come on.
Have a good day, guys.
Same to you. Thank you. You did so good. I'm gonna go get the bag. You say. Oh boy. Oh boy. No, we gotta wait.
These guys. Thank you. Come on. Come on.
Thank you.
In the event that all the headbands in the aircraft do become full, I will be checking on your bag. Hi.
Hi, how are you, ma'am? I'm just wondering, do you have any seats anywhere that might have a seat open next to it?
The person in the middle, I'll see if I can move them up.
Okay.
So you can have that.
That'd be great. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Malibus?
What is it?
Belgian Malamutes? What do they call those things?
Malinois?
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
This is down the jet bridge. You may pre-board at...
Oh boy, Liz.
Good morning.
How are you today?
How are you?
You know what seat I use?
He does.
I'm like, okay.
That's a good boy. You're a good boy. Right there. Want to take it off? Take off your vest. Shaky shake. Atta boy. Here. He is 1.5. Almost 2. That's a good bear. He's such a good bear. I'll give you a cookie. Can you eat this cookie, please? I gotta go potty.
He was helping us and everything.
He was? Go.
Where they belong. Make sure you don't leave them in the...
You good boy. Thank you. Wait. Wait, sir. Dude, if I fall because of you, I'm gonna be pissed. Atta boy. I know.